I like to party.
Finally got the car I've been shopping for. So it has one of these things that you really don't see anymore. It's called a manual, which I'm really happy about. Has carbon ceramic bucket seats, which I thought I really wanted. It's all carbon fiber. Until I had to get in and out of it. To say the least. And then it's got carbon interior, got a little fire extinguisher. Yeah. Need to build a new garage. Let's put the rest of the cars in here. But got a big old whale tail on it. I'd show you the back, but it's kind of compressed, to say the least. Big old intakes. Yeah, I shopped for this for like a year and a half, maybe 2 years. I was dead set on a specific specification, different options. Carbon ceramic brakes does come on this. I'm not really a huge fan of that. For you car people, you know carbon ceramics are a pretty penny to replace. I think brake job on this bad boy is about 10 to 15 grand. But this has everything else I was looking for: the front axle lift, the carbon buckets, the manual, and the carbon interior. So it's kind of surreal. I got a bit emotional about it. It's probably really good for me. So now I got to figure out what to do with this garage. I got to get a bigger garage. That's my next project. That and a building. My other cars are getting washed right now. Let's go look at those. All right, so my dude Thomas is out there. This is better. He's out there. He's doing the Audi RS7 now. I think he just finished the H1. So I need a bigger garage to put these cars in because the freaking Audi is just in the front yard at the moment on the walkway, which kind of is a pain in the ass. But anyone that lives in Milford, Connecticut, or in New England really knows that there are certain areas of New England that like the lot sizes are really small. And I'm on a peninsula in Milford, so the lot sizes are really small. So we only have single bay garages. So I'm going to have to build a larger garage. But the cool part about it is my first home that I still have, it's rented out, didn't have a garage. My second home, which I'm in now, is too big for me, but it only has a single car garage. So I have a garage, which is the cool part. You know, a lot of people might not like that it's single, but you got to put it into perspective, right? Like I bought my first house for like 90 grand when I was like 27 with no garage, and I really wanted a garage. And now that I'm 40, I got car problems. 13 years later. I don't know. I guess really what it comes down to is you just got to put in the work. You know, I was at dinner last night and I was asked, you know, what would you tell your younger self, Chris? And I said, what I would tell my younger self is applicable to what I would tell myself now at 40. It's the same thing. Half the battle's showing up. Take bigger risks. Yeah. Half the battle's showing up. Take bigger risks and don't be afraid to make mistakes. By no means do I think I have it all figured out. Not at all. However, I have made a lot of mistakes. So we're, we're getting there. I think that's about it for you today, guys. Let me know if you liked this. Let me know if you want to see me do a driving review of the GT3. Let me know anything. And I just know I appreciate you, okay? So, half the battle showing up, take bigger risks, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Peace.